this seller. So I want to say, Christy, that is, you inspire me a lot. It's unbelievable. I know I have also tried to achieve on my own, but what I'm seeing here, I cannot actually explain, because the way it started seemed to me as if it was a big joke, and I said, I think you are taking on too much more than you can buy. But I can see now that she can actually, you know, handle the situation. Christy, you are a lesson for everyone here, particularly you young ones, to know that you can do it. You don't have to rely on somebody to do it. And the only way you can do it right now, I know that you don't have your own money, but the only way you can do it is to pay attention to what you are being taught, to ensure that when you leave here, you will take this forward. Otherwise, it will make no sense of what she's doing. When you leave here, you have your email box, you're going to have your Facebook. I know the challenges that we all meet in Nigeria trying to access the internet. I have not accessed my internet for 2 or 3 days now because, well, my laptop crashed. So I need to go to Cyber Cafe to access my email. You are young people, you can go to the Cyber Cafe and access your emails. You all live in Anambra and Enugu, right?
Yes.
Yes. Please do not drop what you learn here after you leave here. Do not drop it. I don't want to hear that your email addresses, they have been closed. Because if you don't access it for, I don't know, maybe a month, they close it. Please, before they go, do a list for them so that they can have a discussion.
Yeah, we're having a web bot.
You have a Yahoo group or something?
Yeah, Google group or something.
Google group or something. So that they can be talking to each other. That's a way to sustain this. I'm very, very impressed. And I want to hear from 1 or 2 of you, because I'm going to go back and write my recommendation to Global Fund to say, see what I saw, but I need to also hear from you to know whether this is worth your time and what the effort you are making. So who will volunteer to tell me about this program briefly and what you have benefited from it?